So 300 BC, na Sangam age, है ना? With Sangam age, historic age of South India began, है ना? Now tell me, what are the important features of Sangam age? Again, Saket, important features of, not Sangam age, important features of historic age. Certain important features of historic age. Art and architecture. Okay. Then? A bit vagueness in the answer. Next, Akash. Good. Okay. Inscription. Okay. Ram. Features of historic age. Important features of historic age. See, there is no rocket science in study of history. अगर हिस्ट्री नहीं समझ में आएगा तो फिर दुनिया का कोई भी सब्जेक्ट समझ में नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि जिसको कुछ नहीं आता है वो भी हिस्ट्री पढ़ाता है. गेटिंग द पॉइंट. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि एक कॉन्टिन्यूटी अगर नहीं रहेगी, कम से कम क्लास नोट्स तो रिवीजन मांगता है ना. यू आर रिवाइजिंग द क्लास नोट्स. सी वाज आल्सो देयर इन द क्लास ना, यू वर आल्सो देयर. So only 2-3 people are able to answer the things. So always you have to do the revision work, otherwise it will be very difficult. See, fact and figures you can forget, not the concept. If you are not clear with your concept, it will be very difficult. Discuss features of historic age. Features of historic age. Writings. Okay. Archaeological sources are there from the very beginning now, from a Stone Age. But a Stone Age is not supposed to be the historic age, isn't it? Other features? Okay. So if art and culture is not, see, culture would be from the very beginning. From the very first day there will be culture. Culture means what? Way of living. Culture means attire. Culture means language. So they are very much there from the very beginning of the, you can say, culture. Very beginning of the, you can say, the arrival of mankind over the earth. Important features for historic age we are discussing. Historic age. Prehistoric age, proto-historic age and historic age. Okay. Either. You are also there. Historic age features. Literature, okay. So historic age means mature age of history, isn't it? So agriculture surplus should be there, well-established trade should be there, coins could be there, isn't it? A script maybe, may not be. In North India, historic age begins with, in North India, Akash. In North India, means in India, historic age begins with which period? Mahajanpad age? Mahajanpad age. South India with Sangam age. But in North India, in 600 BC onwards, we are having the script. But in Sangam age, we have done that there was no script. Compilation happened later on. The period of Sangam age is 300 BC to 300 AD. This is the period of Sangam age. But the compilation of Sangam literature, 300 AD to 600, isn't it? 300 AD to 600 AD. This is the compilation. It means that a script was not known to Sangam people, isn't it? Though it is very much debatable, but till the date, historians have tried to establish that the compilation happened later on, though they composed the Sangam literature.